Welcome to Medieval Mason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design and mold realistic brick textures in less than 2 minutes using free online tools. The first step is to access a free 3D texture website like Polyhaven or Ambient CG. Once you have identified a texture that you'd like to bring to life, download the zip file and extract the displacement image. Next, open up the website itslitho and upload the image. The website will then generate an STL negative of your texture, which can then be 3D printed. To make my final brick texture, I worked some children's foam clay into the mold, which I had pre-treated with some baking release spray. After giving the mold a minute to chill in the freezer, the foam comes out easily from the mold. Once dried, the foam bricks are then easily trimmed and shaped by scissors or an X-Acto knife.